Hello guys, welcome to 974 Exotics. You are in for an emotional treat. This was not planned by all means, and it's actually the reveal of the car to my dad because he's the owner of it. Fully custom interior, never been done before, inspired by a Barabas G-Wagon from the internet, by all means. Special thanks to our secret sponsor for making this possible, and special thanks to CarPro for making this also possible. We're gonna head out, we're gonna go to the house, and we're gonna show my dad the car. I am too emotional. I was telling Anupam maybe this is gonna be a very emotional video for me because this car is so special to our family. We're gonna tell you in a bit. Let's go. The video is so emotional based on the simple fact that the history of this car is the following. This car was bought in 2008 by my dad, and it was his first SUV ever that he paid cash for in his life. He kept it throughout the years until almost 3 to 4 years ago, where he left it, and it was kind of rotten, so it was getting older and older. This car, keep in mind, it was painted 7 times. Everyone learned how to drive with this car, and he was adamant to not put any money on it. Not even, I mean, the most parts is maybe changing the oil and stuff like that. So he was like 100% sure, don't spend any dime on it. So special thanks to the sponsor, to our secret sponsor, for allowing us to choose this car as part of the project side of things when it comes to the YouTube channel. And I mean, that's about it. So yeah, for me, it's too emotional to give back this car to my dad because it's just one of these things. I mean, there are some cars that come in your life and they end up staying and never leaving, and that's one of them. So I think we're gonna keep this forever, inshallah.
ما شاء الله.
فديت هلوي.
وقار.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام. ما شاء الله.
ايش رايك؟ Very
Very,
nice.
very nice.
Very, very nice.
Bravo.
So,
Bravo. Very beautiful. ما شاء الله.
nothing is planned.
This is a new car يعني.
It's a new car, so nothing is planned. I told my dad,
ما شاء
just be
الله.
ready. Anupam is gonna shoot your reaction. So nothing is planned. So my father, his name is Ali Zainal. This car is, well, the love of his life. يبا هاي أول سيارة فور اشتريتها في حياتك صح؟ It's the first 4x4 you bought in your life?
Yeah, like 14 years now.
14 years ago, mashallah.
And I was driving it when it was like old. Everything.
Everything was old, Ela. It was.
But now
what do you
everything is
think?
different. Magnificent.
How do you feel?
Magnificent. Bravo.
This car was inspired by G-Wagon Barabas. Everything was done
Really.
perfectly. We would like to thank you because you gave us the right to do this car. I am getting a bit emotional. I said emotional, I am getting a bit emotional.
No, actually it is
I'm losing my words.
work of شو اسمه؟
Work of art.
Work of art. I mean, like the original work of the company.
It's true, but it's better.
يعني, but it's better with touch.
I mean, it's just
With
amazing.
Qatari touch.
With the Qatari touch, yeah, with the new logo of
Nice,
the
nice.
state of Qatar.
I'm now afraid of
My mother is coming.
driving.
My mother is coming. You will be
I
in
will be followed
You will be in the video.
by young Qataris who will.
My mom doesn't want to be in the video.
Once someone on the traffic light asked me if I want to sell the car. It was many years ago. Now they will be
They will
more.
stop you all the time.
Exactly what I say.
We
Thank
will-
you very much.
You are
Merci
most
beaucoup.
welcome. Habibi. Habibi.
Bravo. You are yourself a creator, mashallah. Bravo.
So my mom doesn't want to be on the camera. I mean, this is just special for us. I mean, special thanks to the secret sponsor.
So all is new, sorry.
Everything is new, and everything is leather. I mean, we will paint the car eventually, a color that he chose. We will do almost everything. I don't know if you saw the seat belts. The seat belts are golden color.
لا.
Yeah. So now you have a Nissan, and you have a Nissan with
قوموا قاعد يصورون ده.
you have a Nissan with the Rolls Royce steering wheel, and he has the Rolls Royce also. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. What do you think? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Stock, pure stock,
ها؟
pure stock, not modified.
ايه. ما شاء
Then
الله.
tell us how you feel.
Great.
Wallah, you will be driving this car all the time?
Of course, inshallah. And it is the.
So the wood that came on the car, we painted it black. We put small pieces of black everywhere.
Really piece of art.
Yeah,
And this gives you the pleasure to drive
that's true.
a car like this. This is how you call it.
Say it in Arabic, we will translate.
Reborn. The car is reborn. You know.
That's true. Well, if my father is happy, I'm happy.
It looks like a man of 60 years old became 20 years old. Bravo.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
So, as you saw, the reaction of my dad, it was genuine. The other members of the family, my wife, my mom, my small brother, they came and said they saw the car. And I mean, they're wearing the home attire, so they don't want to be seen. We will show this car in more detail when it's in the custom show. I mean, I'm choking up right now because for me, giving my dad back his car with this kind of style and this luxury is just special to me, because I mean, giving your dad anything in return is just special. I didn't think that I was gonna cry about it, but I'm getting choked up right now. So thank you again to CarPro. Thank you to Unipart, Al Jobbers for the spare parts. Thank you for our secret sponsor. Thank you for Al Kuri Garage, Korean Garage. Thank you, Anupam. And I mean, it's just a blessing to have so many people believe in us, regardless of the fact that it's been almost 2 years that we've been doing this. And the sponsor also gave us another project car to work on. Eventually, we're going to have it on the YouTube channel. I mean, yeah, just stay tuned. I mean, follow, subscribe, share, mention. Without you guys, I mean, we're nothing. So I didn't think I was going to cry. But I mean, giving back your dad the car that he bought is it's just great. I didn't think I was going to cry, seriously. I said to Anupam, we're going to put the title as Emotional Surprise, but I'm the one who's emotional, actually. So just giving my dad this as a gift, and he's going to enjoy it for years to come. It's just special. So special thanks to the secret sponsor. And yeah, Anupam never saw me cry before. It's just, it's just, we can use this as a thumbnail or as the beginning of the video. So yeah, thank you very much. It's so special to me. I try not to cry, but yeah. So enjoy this car. This is the car of the community right now. We're gonna have this car displayed in the car show. We're gonna have my Fiat 500 Haman Abarth Haman edition, and we're gonna have the car of another friend of ours, Ahmed Al Jaber. His car is amazing. It's one of one. It has an LS3 engine. So yeah, thank you, and see you soon. Sorry that I'm emotional, but it is so close to my heart. So thank you, Anupam. Thank you, everyone. Cheers. See ya.